Baltimore Police and City Council are on rumor control tonight after a post spread widely over social media about a potential crime spree in the city this weekend. The post contained a screenshot of a text exchange reading in part, "Please, please, please do not go into the city on Friday. There is a big gang initiation. They're expecting a lot of robberies." Whoever posted it said the information was from a police officer, but police have not been able to substantiate the claims. And City Councilman Eric Costello spread his own message about it on Twitter, saying this type of misinformation is reckless and extremely dangerous.
Shows me that there's reckless people out there that don't care, that are sharing rumors that are not true. BPD's gang and intelligence divisions are actively investigating it, and they've found nothing to date that indicates that any of it's true. So it's simply fear-mongering.
Councilman Costello says the bottom line is don't post things on social media that haven't been verified.